Hey, what's up everybody? I got this GS back from the painter. It looks great. Check it out. He did a blend on it and he buffed the front. This is all fresh paint, but look, he left it textured and such so that it, you know, looks great. He got the mud guard as well. You can see all that damage is gone. I just need to buff this. Shit'll buff out and get it the rest of the way shiny. I've also got to work on the fuel tank. Here's the one that came with it. What the? That was in it. Obviously that's no good. They also had this one he sent with it. Looks like I'll be able to clean it up pretty well.
Your sweat's so sour. Sometimes I'm thinking that I love you, but I know it's only lust. The change will do you good. I always do it would. You know the change will do you good. Piss. You know the change will do you good.
Body.
The change will do you good. I always do it would. You know the change will do you good. You know the change will do you good.
I'm a fool to do your dirty work. Go, yeah.
Hey, so all these bare aluminum parts were polished originally, and I just need to go in and brighten them up. I've got some buffing wheels on my bench grinder and some compounds. I'll just clean them up. I'm not going for a mirror finish here, just nice and shiny like they would have done at the factory. I'm gonna put some tape on that headset to protect the paint right near where I'm polishing.
Here's a gold medal for your issues if it makes you feel better, baby.
I always wondered how it was done.
Does it feel better, baby? Mental gymnastics like an athlete, you know I gotta give you first place. But in first place, so congratulations for being a victim. Be the highest on the podium, boy, I don't care. Been training harder, I'm on your team, so why you compete at trauma, Olympics racing to the trauma, trauma, here's a trophy, show it to your mama, trauma.
So when I polish these end caps, I just attach them to a scrap piece of wood. Makes it a lot easier to hold them and actually makes pretty quick work of it.
Break your prize while I'm running from you for miles. Be a good sport, but competing works its way into the game of life and die. Don't care who's more of the victim. Don't you know everyone's been through? Don't care who's been training harder. I'm on your team, so why you compete?
your dirty work. Go, yeah. I don't wanna do your dirty work no more.